A very good morning to my dear students. Hope you all are fine and doing well at home. Dear students, it's our English class, and in this class we will do lesson number 7, Doing Words. This chapter is from grammar book. So let's start. Just look at the pictures and read the sentences given below. There is a boy who is playing with a football. Rahul plays. Second picture is of a girl and she is dancing. Her name is Meena and the sentence is given Meena dances. Third picture, there are two birds and the sentence given about the birds, birds fly. Let's have two more pictures. Geeta writes. Dog barks. I have underlined some words in these sentences like writes and barks. The words plays, dances, fly, writes and barks are doing words. Doing words are called action words. Now you will ask, what are action words? You have studied about action words in the previous class also. Action words are the words that tell us what a person, a thing or an animal does. Just do an activity now. See what Mama is doing now. Maybe she is teaching you or she is sitting with you. So the work that Mama is doing now is her action. Now what are you doing? You are watching the video or you are writing the words. Means this time what work you are doing? You are writing. So the work that is done by an animal, a person or a thing is called action word or doing word. And the action words are also called verbs. If I'll say to you, just clap your hands, you will clap. Means what are you doing now? Which work you are doing now? You are clapping. If I'll say, okay, blink your eyes, so you will blink your eyes. Means now the work that you are doing is you are blinking your eyes. So any work that is done by an animal or a thing or a person is called doing word, action word or verbs. Just look at this picture. In this picture, what a peacock is doing? Peacock is dancing. Means what is the work that peacock is doing? Dancing. A peacock dances. Here are some examples of verbs or action words. Clapping. What? A teacher is teaching the class and students are also sitting. They are listening to their teacher carefully. So, here teacher is teaching and the students are learning something from their teacher. They are doing their work. These are action words. Kites fly in the sky. The work is being done by kites. Fly, they are flying. The boy is running. He is running. So at this moment, his work is running. So dear students, action words are called verbs, and any work that we do or that any person, any animal or anything they do are called action words. I hope the concept of doing words or verbs is clear to you. Just do practice of the worksheet that I am giving you and do the same worksheet in your English notebook. Have a great day. Bye bye.